Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you a RC car monster truck. Friend Carrie gave it to my brother Henry. I live on the street. So yeah, it was like an old one, I think. But yeah, let's get right into it. Here it is. Got the RC, you got the monster truck right here, the remote control. Then I have my sports car that's been on the charger. There's my sports car, and then there's my brother's remote control car. RC car, monster truck. So yeah, I also make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications on, and click that bell. And yeah, see you guys later.